Howdy fellas, next step in the rifle was to install the Ramrod thimbles, and I done a little checking last night and found that the Ramrod channel in the forearm was either drilled too small or I've got a Ramrod that's too big. Now typically for a 32-36 caliber rifle you're going to be looking at a 5/16, which is about 0.312, and this Ramrod measuring about 0.317. And the hole in here, a number 2 pencil will pass in it with plenty of room. So I went ahead and did a little sanding and got the Ramrod tip installed and pinned. So what I'm going to have to do now, and I have emailed Kibler about it, but they are a small company, and as of right now it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They have not emailed me back from the email I sent last night. So I'm just going to go ahead and solve the problem myself. It's going to take quite a bit of sanding, and I may go ahead and chuck it in a drill and use that. Just use my left foot to hold the drill and run it, and take sandpaper and crocus cloth and just keep sanding on it until I get it down. Now, I'm sure they probably made the channel just a little bit small so that you would not have to have a ramrod spring, because your old rifles would not have had that. So I'm going to have to take care to make sure that I leave enough diameter right before the rod seats all the way down in the forend for it to catch and hold, which it's not a real big problem. Now that I've thought about it and studied on it, it's just going to be time consuming. So I'll just continue plugging on. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.